Here are 10 easy sentences using the phrase those are. 1. Those are my favorite shoes. 2. Those are the books I was telling you about. 3. Those are the keys I was looking for. 4. Those are the pictures I took on my vacation. 5. Those are the cookies I baked yesterday. 6. Those are the flowers I got for my birthday. 7. Those are the songs I love listening to. 8. Those are the clothes I wear to work. 9. Those are the games I play with my friends. 10. Those are the movies I want to watch tonight.
इस जैसे मजेदार वीडियो के माध्यम से अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए अगर आप YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर Facebook और Instagram पर इस रील को देख रहे हैं तो फॉलो करें। शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।